Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. You may remember in August I did a walk round of one of Plaza's new Luxe rooms. They've got 4 floors now that really have been completely gutted and redone. And when I say gutted, I mean everything in here, from the lights to the carpets, is completely brand spanking new. I mean, you will not find newer in Vegas, frankly. So I now want to show you a 1-bedroom suite of the renovated section, so a Luxe suite. So this is 1812. This is in the North Tower, and this is the tower that faces Fremont Street. And to say I'm impressed with this room would be an understatement. It's like nothing the Plaza's ever had before. It really is. It's fabulous. So you come in, lovely big telly. Pretty smart sort of wood effect sort of dresser. Very nice. Nice settee and chair. And I just love the design of these rooms. It's incredibly smart. So your wet bar here. You have coffee in the room. And Earl Grey tea, if you so wish. And in here is one of 2 fridges with some water in. So you get plenty of space for your own stuff. And then going back here, the first of 2 bathrooms. Very, very nice. Your toilet in there, and a nice walk-in shower. So you sort of have 2 aspects of view. This is quite early in the morning, so the sun is out, but really, really nice. Looks great at night. You've got down there, you have obviously the Fremont Street experience. You'll have Circa to the left when that opens at the end of next year. And then moving into the bedroom area. So you have your second bathroom here. And actually you get some posh lotions and shampoo, wash, etc. Your safe is there, and then your second toilet and your shower, and then your sleeping area. Really comfortable bed. I stayed here last night, so I can confirm that I slept absolutely perfectly. Here's your hanging space with ironing board. Some more closet space there. Nice big mirror. And if you're on a working trip, you got a desk there. I just really like the decor and the way it's done. It does look incredibly smart. So just to finish off, I'll just show you the view from this window, which is slightly different. Obviously there are slightly different angles on this tower. So you see more of Golden Nugget and Golden Gate down there. But absolutely wonderful. So, you know, I couldn't recommend this enough if you're thinking of staying downtown. One of these suites, you'll be totally happy. If you want completely quiet suite, I would go for one towards the back of the North Tower. If you don't mind a little bit of noise, go for the one at the front. Having said all of that, I slept here last night with absolutely no problem whatsoever. There were still things going on, and I didn't find it bothersome at all. But it all depends how you sleep. But all in all, an absolutely fabulous suite in downtown Vegas. Speak to you soon.